How's it going? Hope you're having a good day today. It's been an eventful day here in Virginia. We have built a snowman. This is actually the first snowman that Alicio has ever built. Oddly enough, with all the mounds and mounds of snow we had in Michigan, Cruz and him made this snowman today. Is the first one for him. And they're all pretty excited about it. We just went sledding, and I made it back before the rest of them, so I'm doing a quick live here just to tell you about some things and introduce you to my friend. He's wearing a mask. I'm really glad about that because it is a cold day. I don't want any germs to spread. Number one is I have been working on my counseling setup here, and I am working through Zoom and offering online counseling for Michigan residents. So if you're in Michigan and you're watching this, you can receive counseling. I can do counseling for you. If you're wanting to talk to somebody, I'm available, and I'll give you information in the link here. I'll just link some stuff in there, and I'll probably use this and just kind of write up a little blog or something about it so that you can get all the information in one place. So counseling will be available. It's $40 an hour right now, and I reduced my prices last summer as everything started to kind of go haywire in 2020, and I just have not felt like I should raise the prices. So I'm just going to keep them at $40 an hour, and that's quite a discount from what I've had in the past. And I'm looking forward to doing more of that here in the future. I've already done a lot of online counseling, and I just want to let you know that's a possibility for you if you need it and you're in Michigan. Secondly, I wanted to say that I have just completed a online kind of web presence tutorial. It's about like three blog posts. I'll put those in here as well and link those in. And every once in a while, when I change things on my website, I'm an evangelical columnist for Patheos. It's the world's largest religion website. And I just have my hands in quite a bit of things online. And every once in a while, when I do make some changes, I'll just throw some free tips out there that I've picked up over the years. I've been doing this for about 10 years. And so those articles will be available for you. I'll make those available as well. There's 3 of them. And then I just want to also let you know that a couple weeks ago I published a work on an article on the Holy Spirit, and it's on the gifts of the Spirit, and basically the first 3 gifts in 1 Corinthians chapter 12. And I have a couple more articles that are going to be coming out over the course of this next couple weeks. This is an area that I've taught on even at the college level, and have taught across the nation at youth camps and stuff over the years on the Holy Spirit. I'm always glad when I seem to have the freedom to teach on it. And so I just thought I would put together about 3 articles on the gifts of the Spirit, and just explain it in the easiest way I know how, just so that people can develop a hunger for that and incorporate that into their worship service as well, just as an exclamation or an explanation, a teaching for you. So I hope you enjoy looking for those. The first one will be later this week, and then the next one will be next week. So I hope you all having a great day, and say goodbye to my snowy friend, and we'll talk to you soon.